So welcome to this video. In this video, I just want to highlight and show you guys a simple fractal that is reflecting on the Bitcoin price, and most definitely, trust me, you're gonna love this. Now, if you take a look at this on what is going on right here, okay, currently at the 3 minutes time frame. All right, now when you look at the 3 minute time frame, you can see we have this left shoulder here, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder here. Can see this is a typical textbook pattern of head and shoulder, a typical textbook head and shoulder pattern that we have here. And if you watch carefully, you can see that this pattern is similar to what we have on the daily time frame. Now, let me go to the daily time frame, okay, which is this here, okay. So I'll click on the daily time frame. Now, if you take a look at this, all right. So now, on the 3 minute time frame, you can see that this pattern broke out from this neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, okay? The pattern broke out. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. You can see it broke out. And then we are just seeing a pullback here. But the major thing is that we can see it has broken out from this particular neckline here. So this is just a foreshadow of what we are going to expect on the daily time frame, okay? Now, if I zoom out on the daily time frame, you can see is very similar to what we have here. We have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. But in the daily time frame, it has not broken out yet. And trust me, if this pattern broke out just like it did on this 3 minute time frame, if it broke out just like it did on this 3 minute time frame, okay, we are definitely going to have a massive movement. Okay, I'm going to have a massive movement because this is daily time frame, and trust me, if this neckline of the daily time frame break, the price target will be the distance from this point here down to this point here. Now, if I do a rough estimate, the price target will be, we have 71.8 here, and also we have 61.6. So that's like $10,000 movement from this point here. Now, $10,000 movement from this point here, this will put the price to roughly about $75,000. So once we see a breakout from this inverse head and shoulder on the daily time frame, we'll most definitely see the Bitcoin price go as high as 74 to $75,000 range, around that range, $75,000 range. So currently, I'm expecting the Bitcoin price to move to that particular range, all right? Because if you can see, if you go to this 3 minute time frame again, so this is just like a foreshadow of what is going to happen on the daily time frame. I know it might sound crazy, but you can see it's the fractal is just so crazy. Now let me go to the daily time frame. As you can see, it's the same. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. On the daily time frame, this other part have not really formed yet, but once it forms, we're going to see that movement like this to the upside. So I just try to bring this analysis to you guys, so you guys will be able to see what I feel and why I think the Bitcoin price will most definitely go to the $75,000 range. And also, we have a lot of liquidity on the $74,000 range, like a lot of liquidity, around billions of dollars in the $74,000 range. Okay, so that's why I believe the Bitcoin price from here will most definitely go to $74,000. So for anyone who wants to take a trade and even enter a trade at this point here or at this current price here, you will still be on a safer side, riding the price upward from this point here up to the $74,000 range. So I'm going to catch you guys in my next video, and always remember to stay safe. Peace.